Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin troubleshooting your Lenovo IdeaPad S145's Wi-Fi issues, ensure that the laptop is powered off and unplugged. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap for safety. First, remove the back cover of your laptop. Locate the screws securing the back panel. There are usually about 8 to 10 screws to unscrew. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover. Make sure to handle the components gently to avoid any damage. Next, check the Wi-Fi card, which is typically located near the battery. Disconnect the antenna wires by gently pulling them off the card, noting their positions for reinstallation. Unscrew the Wi-Fi card from its mount and slide it out. If you notice any dust or debris, gently clean the area with compressed air. If the Wi-Fi card appears damaged or outdated, consider replacing it. However, if you are unsure about this process, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. You can also opt for our pickup and delivery at your home service, making it hassle-free for you. Once you have inspected or replaced the Wi-Fi card, reassemble the laptop by reversing the previous steps. Ensure that all screws are tight and that the back cover is securely in place. After reassembly, power on the laptop and check if the Wi-Fi is functioning. Go to the settings menu and ensure that the Wi-Fi is enabled. If the issue persists, it might be a driver problem. You can access the Lenovo support website to download the latest drivers for your model. If downloading drivers doesn't resolve the issue, consider performing a network reset. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, and select Network Reset. This process will reinstall network adapters and set networking components back to their original settings. Again, if you run into complications, keep in mind that we provide quotes before repair, ensuring transparency in your costs. Another common solution is to check your device manager for any yellow exclamation marks next to your network adapters. If present, right-click and select Update Driver. This can sometimes resolve conflicts causing Wi-Fi issues. If you've exhausted all these options and still find yourself without Wi-Fi, it might be time to consider professional help. Remember, we offer no calls, no travel services to streamline your repair experience. Lastly, always ensure your laptop's software is up to date. Sometimes, software bugs can interfere with hardware functionality, including Wi-Fi connectivity. Regular maintenance and updates can prevent such issues from arising in the first place. Following these steps should help you restore Wi-Fi functionality to your Lenovo IdeaPad S145. If you're not comfortable performing these tasks, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance, ensuring you have a working device without the stress. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.